Hey guys, jumping in. Sorry if I'm a little lethargic right now. I'm not feeling real great. So I'm going to try and make it through this last break. For the Padres out of 199, Hunter Renfroe auto. Out of 349, I think. Trevor Story, Elite Series. Out of 199, David Dahl, rookie. Tony Gwynn out of 500 for the Padres. Jake Lamb jersey swatch for the Diamondbacks, and out of 283, Goldschmidt. Out of 349, Tim Cate for Team USA. Mark Melancon for Nationals, pinkback. Murph, black and white. Todd Frazier out of 199 for the White Sox. Mike Schmidt bat relic for the Phillies. And out of 999, Justin Verlander. Blueback Carson Fulmer. Pinkback Clayton Kershaw. First off, we have a 12 of 15 for the Dodgers, Tommy Lasorda auto. (12 of 15, Tommy Lasorda. And an on-card 7 of 99, Tanner Roark. Recollection collection for the Nationals. Out of 999, Will Myers. Out of 249, Mike Mussina for the Yankees. That's what people tell me all the time. That's the first time I've ever seen that pull. But that's just what I do. I'm just kidding. Out of 432, Salvador Perez. Pull things for the first time. Alright. I told you Dodgers in Donruss, they always hit. I don't know if I've ever won a break of Donruss without hitting at least one Dodger. Usually it's Ross Stripling, but that was a little different. This card comes out a lot. Jersey swatch of Kyle Schwarber for the Cubs. Oops. Because you're the man. In high school, you were the man, homie. Now you're just stupid. Yeah. Giancarlo Stanton, gold out of 99. For the Marlins. Out of 999, Yelich. Pinkback Chris Sale, White Sox. Pops. For the Cardinals, Carson Kelly, base auto. Carson Kelly, base auto for the Cardinals. Channing Tatum getting that one, I believe. Willie Stargell out of 199. Out of 999, Gene Segura for the Diamondbacks. Christian Yelich out of 368 for the Marlins. Chris Bryant. Bat relic for the Giants, Will Clark. Will Clark bat relic for the Giants. And out of 999, Jaron Kendall, Team USA. Blueback Josh Bell. Willie McCovey out of 500. Rhino. Looks like 2 autos. Aaron Judge out of 199 for the Yankees. Aaron Judge out of 199 for the Yankees. And out of 99 for the White Sox, Carson Fulmer. 2 autos and 1 pack. And 1 was Judge. Joey Votto out of 101 for the Reds. Getting close to the Fulmer rainbow right now. Alex Bregman out of 199 rookie. Out of 999, Marcell Ozuna All-Star. Yeah, he actually got I actually got to see him in Arizona. He was a good dude. Stephen Piscotty, pinkback. Frank Thomas, black and white. Oh, Kyle Schwarber for the Cubbies jersey. And out of 25, black, Ian Kinsler. Ken Griffey Jr. out of 199 for the Mariners. Pinkback Freddie Freeman for the Braves. Black and white Chris Bryant. Wallback, I think, is on the Mariners now. Gold out of 99, Taylor Walls, Team USA. For the Cubbies, bat relic of Ryan Sandberg. Little General Blueback. Out of 500, Melky Cabrera for the White Sox. Acuna Machado. This is going to be one of those Dodge. Nope. I thought it was going to be the Dodger guy. Ozzie Albies for the Braves. New breed auto. Ozzie Albies. Out of 49 for the Nationals, Trey Turner, Aqueous Test. Trey Turner out of 999 for the Nationals. First cards are all like Aaron Judge, press proof out of 99 for the Yankees. Gold. We did Diamond Kings earlier. I'll have it on YouTube here after this break. Out of 433, Starlin Castro for the Yankees. It's going to be Jeff Hoffman or Ramil Tapia. Nope. Dang. David Dahl, 49, gold auto. Out of 452, Jose Batista. Josh Donaldson out of 999 for the Blue Jays. Reggie Jackson, mastering the game out of 999 for the Yankees. Oh, he's already lost it. Pinkback Cespedes for the Mets. That goes without saying. Last box. Good luck, guys. For the Mets, Brandon Nemo. New breed auto for the Mets. Brandon Finding Nemo. And a 24 of 25 Rough and Odor Diamond King pink. This is the second Donruss break in a row that I've gotten a pink one like that. And before that, I had never seen one. Out of 149, Taylor Walls, Team USA. Out of 182, Francisco Lindor. Tony Gwynn, pinkback for the Padres. Duke of Flatbush. Arcia's not bad, is he? And they're saying Margot as might be good here very soon. So you might have something in Margot. Jersey auto, CJ Cron. I'm not Jersey auto, Jersey for the Angels. If Orlando Arcia, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, Manuel Margot, I think he has a chance, definitely. I mean, he's not. The only problem is he does play for San Diego, which is not the greatest of markets. So that's the negative there. Out of 9.99, Mark Trumbo. If he would have stayed in Boston, that'd be a different story. Out of 500, Piscotti for the Cardinals. We got 2 autos again. We got a hot case, guys. Wow. Out of 25 for the Pirates, Tyler Glasnow, purple. And if one Judge wasn't good enough, how about 2? Aaron Judge out of 99, red auto. 2 autos again. Out of 199, Paul Goldschmidt. Out of 9.99, Tyler Johnson, Team USA. Usually with Inception, either the case is just amazing or the case is not amazing. 249, Cespedes for the Mets. Verlander Pinkback. Gigante. My pops bought 2 boxes and he pulled a 3 of 5 Mike Trout auto. So, you never know. Corey Seager at a 99 gold. Yeah, we hit the 101 or we hit the button of either Tyon or Glass now, and then we hit the 101 of this whoever it is. The very bottom on this Seager is not the greatest. Sometimes with Donruss, the back bottoms are not great. Albert Pujols for the Angels, bat relic, not numbered. Trevor Story out of 9.99 for the Rockies. I think we actually have the the 1-up on up now. Edwin Encarnacion for the Blue Jays, blue back. And pink back, DJ LeMahieu. And that does it for Donruss. 2 Judge autos. Tommy Lasorda auto. Some other goodies. Alright guys, I am off for tonight.